Hello, I'm Jason Spangler, Flooring Division Sales Manager for Wagner Meters, here to show you the Orion 950 Moisture Meter, part of Wagner's new Orion line of meters that are setting a new standard in the moisture measurement industry. The Orion Moisture Meter is advanced technology, superior accuracy, and remarkable versatility in the palm of your hand. Let's take a look at the 950 Smart Meter, the pinnacle of the Orion line. It's a dual-depth data collection moisture meter with thermohygrometer functionality and Bluetooth connectivity to your smart device. The 950 provides readings at 1/4 and 3/4 inch depth modes, and it can store and review up to 100 readings and provide you with minimums, maximums, and averages. It gives you the temperature, relative humidity, dew point, and grains per pound readings. And it connects to your smart device so you can log your data and analyze it with the help of either the Woodshop MC or FloorSmart free apps. The on-hold button powers the unit on and also holds a reading in case you're measuring in an area where you can't directly see the display. The audio button allows you to set a high moisture content alarm threshold and also set the volume for the alarm sound. This is useful, for example, when quickly scanning a piece of wood and trying to locate any higher moisture content areas without having to continually look at the digital display. The Species Material button is used to program the appropriate setting to measure your specific wood species. It also puts your Orion meter into 6 more modes: relative measurement mode, meter calibration mode, RH and temp mode, EMC or equilibrium moisture content mode, dew point mode, and grains per pound mode. The Orion 950 dual depth moisture meter features a depth button that allows you to choose between measuring in the shallow 1/4 inch mode or the deeper 3/4 inch mode. The data button, exclusive to the Orion 940 and 950 meters, activates a mode that allows you to collect and analyze up to 100 readings. Very handy, for example, if you are scanning a large surface area to determine the extent of the moisture-related issue you are tracking. Lastly, the up and down button acts as a toggle and also increases or decreases values according to the mode you are in. Taking a reading with the Orion 950 dual depth moisture meter is easy. First, check your species setting booklet and confirm the setting value for the wood material you will be working with. If you're measuring non-wood material, refer to page 32 of your manual for more information. Let's start with this thin piece of Baltic birch. The species booklet says the setting value is 6.8. I press the on-hold button to power the meter on, then I press the species material button and use the up or down button to adjust the setting to 6.8. Since this is a thin piece of flooring, I obviously don't want to measure past the material, so I press the depth button to engage the shallow reading 1/4 inch mode. Now I'm ready to take a reading. Now I'll measure this thicker piece of cherry. The species booklet says the setting value is 50. I press the species material button, use the up and down buttons to adjust the setting to 50. Since this is a thicker piece, I'll want to get a more accurate reading by measuring deeper in the wood, so I press the depth button to engage the deep reading 3/4 inch mode. Now, let's take a reading. Press the species material button 4 times and you'll get the RH temp mode or relative humidity and temperature mode. In this mode, the meter will display the ambient temperature and relative humidity intermittently until you choose another mode or unit powers itself off. Press the species material button a 5th time to put the unit into EMC or equilibrium moisture content mode. This mode will tell you exactly what percentage of moisture content your wood will be at once equilibrium is reached with the current ambient conditions. Push the button again and you're in dew point mode, where the Orion 950 will show you the dew point temperature. If you need to change the reading to Celsius, just press the up or down arrow. The last mode you reach by pushing the species material button is the grains per pound mode. Useful, let's say, if you need to maintain the correct humidity level in your kiln while you're drying furniture stock. You can change the readings to grains per kilogram by pressing either the up or down buttons. Let's wrap up with a short demonstration on how to calibrate the Orion 950 in your home, workshop, office, job site, wherever. By short, I mean, got a minute? Because it's just that small amount of time. Be sure to read through the calibrations section of your manual to make sure you're doing everything right. First, I make sure the serial numbers match between the on-demand calibrator and my Orion 950 found in the battery compartment. Place the calibrator on its legs on a flat surface, turn the meter on, and use the species material button to put your meter in cal mode. Place the meter on the calibrator platform, correctly seating the meter's sensor pad firmly in the recessed area. This is important because if you place the sensor pad anywhere else, it will cause an inaccurate calibration. Move it back and forth and side to side to make sure the pad is firmly seated. Next, press the audio button 3 times. The meter will beep 3 times to tell you it is calibrating. When you see the word lift on the screen, quickly lift the meter into the air for about 5 seconds. During this time, make sure your fingers or other objects are away from the back of the meter. When the word done appears, press the on-hold button to go back to measuring mode. I'm Jason Spangler, Flooring Division Sales Manager for Wagner Meters. Email me at jspangler@wagnermeters.com with your questions, comments, or photos of your best work with your Orion meter. If you don't have one yet, visit wagnermeters.com to purchase the right Orion moisture meter for your specific application. While you're here, check out these other videos and click subscribe.